Morning, Pigeon family. This is Ham's Loft. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers or new subscribers that I got. And let me first, well, let's say second, apologize that I do like to give you shouts out to some of you guys, well, to anybody really, when you subscribe to the channel and I start following you, I just want to give you a straight shout out. But some guys or gals or ladies or gentlemen, to be totally honest, I just can't pronounce your name, and I'm sorry about that. Blame it on my head and not on my heart. I can't pronounce the name, so I'm gonna try to, put some of the names in the description when I get done with the video. But right now it's Sunday morning. It's about 6:45 a.m. I'm gonna let my young bird team out. I'm gonna chase them up. They've been out at least 5 times. Well, I just let them come out. They flew around. They did whatever they want to do. But today is let's chase them up day. That inside over there is my breeding section, which within the next 30 days or so, we'll do a quick brief rundown later. But let's get these birds out and see what they can do. All right, let's see. I'm gonna start weed eating the yard, so it's a little crazy, but I got my flag up. You can see it's no real wind going on. It's a great day. I'm trying to find somewhere to put the camera. Okay, I think I got 34 in. Maybe you can probably get a count when they're coming out, but let's see what we can do. See, they all over the place, like they're supposed to be. I'm buy some, should have had them already, tennis balls and get them off the roof. I already tried to flag them up. and some of them not that strong. So now, got a total of 34 that was in that section. I think I got one in the tree. Well, actually, he's somewhere in the tree. I hear him flapping around. But we're gonna put it on pause and see if they do anything else. All right, in case it cuts off or something, subscribe, comment, do what you do. Let me hit the pause. Got a deer just walked in my backyard. There you go, right there. Oh well. Got a few still flying around on their own. I know they're hungry, but we'll just leave them out. I'll drop the trap. Yeah, I had just closed the trap, but I just left it open so they can go in and out for right now, because I'm getting ready to do some weed eating in the yard. And I ain't got time to keep opening the trap every time one get trapped in, because there's no food in there anyway. But we'll give an update on this little loft right here, just for the heck of it. This is the last of the breeding. After I came back from Hawaii, I lost, I think, every one of my young birds was swabs, except for 4. So I'm doing one last round, and then that's it. All right, so far right there, those are still all young birds. I didn't move them over into the other loft yet. Mostly you can see my silvers. They survived. I got a little bitty flight right there. Look like he's almost skin and bones, but I'll check him out. But let's see what we got going on up here. These are the 3 I had in here. They was real babies. Guess they laid an egg. I'll toss that. I already threw away about 7 eggs already, so it's no more laying. No more laying. So those 3 right there, they look pretty heavy. This guy right here. Pretty big. This crop. There's 3 of them in here. See there, father's feeding them pretty well. And this one right here. Looks like we got a check, a bar, and a white. And their parents are that white cock right there, and that hen, that check right next to them, that's their 3. I'll toss that egg in just a second. Let's see what we got here. We got, this is a flight box right there, ain't nothing in there. That homer is sitting on 2. That homer is sitting on 2. That flight is sitting on 2 homer eggs. That flight is sitting on 2 Homer eggs. That Homer is sitting on 2 eggs. And she's sitting on 2 eggs. And right after this round, to be totally honest, what you're going to do is going to take everything out of here and just put up perches. This is going to be the section for the hens. And that other one over there, they got the boxes in it. And that section over there is going to be just for cocks. This is going to be my breeding section from now on. I'm not going to do no more than 12 breeding boxes. And they'll be the ones that's in there, the plastic takeouts. That way it's easy for me to monitor them. Okay? All right, man. That's all I got going on. And the rest of it is just going to be break down that one side of the loft on the far side that's used for breeding. I'm going to break that down later. It's going to just be, I'm just going to put the box perches in there so that they can just be for the cocks. This one going to be for the hens. So I'm tossing eggs every time they lay one. I pretty much throw them away, except for that's in here. Now, that one egg, I'm going to swap it out with a flight egg and then throw away the flight eggs and call it a day. All right, peace. Comment, subscribe, do what you do. Shout out to all the flyers and all the subscribers. I appreciate you watching. And flights are for sale. Well, not flights for sale. Flights you can have. Anybody that wants them, just let me know. We can work out a shipping and give you as many as you want because they got to go. Oh yeah, by the way, this is a box that one of the subscribers in New Jersey said he wanted some flights. So you can see this box right here is good enough. I can ship you as many flights as you want. You let me know so we can get you out as many flights as you need or as you want. All right. Comment, subscribe. The subscribers from New Jersey. All right, do what you do. Peace.